Managing finances manually? Errors, delays, and inefficiencies slowing you down? What if you could streamline everything with just one solution? Meet SAP Financial and Cost Management, the ultimate tool for businesses to optimize finances and control costs. SAP Financial and Cost Management is a powerful ERP solution designed to help businesses plan, track, and optimize their financial operations with precision. From budgeting and forecasting to real-time cost control, SAP makes finance management seamless. Key features and benefits: get real-time financial insights, create smart budgets, and forecast business growth effortlessly. Track expenses, identify unnecessary costs, and optimize spending for higher profitability. Automate transactions, reduce errors, and improve cash flow with SAP's financial automation. Stay audit ready and ensure 100% compliance with international financial regulations. From small startups to Fortune 500 companies, businesses using SAP Financial Cost Management have seen increased profitability, reduced errors, and streamlined operations. Imagine cutting down manual work and focusing on business growth instead.